What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel, Bullets Garage. I'm here with my buddy Mike, and we are at Blueprint Motorsports, and we are waiting to get the car on the dyno. So, as you guys know, I have an intake, RR Racing, and a muffler delete. Basic mods probably won't add that much power. How much you think we're gonna make on this dyno today? To the wheels.
Say 395.
This guy's trying to break my heart with 395 numbers. I'm going 402. Anything in the fours I'll take, but I'm going in 402 horsepower. What about torque? Let's take a guess.
How much is it stuck?
It's rated at 389.
389.
I believe, if I'm not mistaken. People are gonna hate me if I don't know, but yeah, 389.
Well, V8s are torquey. I think it's gonna come at like 320, 330 torque to the wheels.
I'm gonna say 330.
330. So we tie on that.
Yeah, and so this is an 8-speed auto.
Okay.
The 1-to-1 gear ratio is 6th gear.
Okay.
They can't do a pull in 6th gear because we're gonna hit the speed limiter.
Okay.
So it won't go to red line. So I talked to RR Racing. They said to do the pull in 5th gear. So we're gonna do 2 pulls in 5th gear, and then 1 pull in 4th to see if there's any difference.
Okay.
So those are the numbers. We're waiting for the shop to set up everything, and we'll get this car on the dyno. We look like we are the first persons here. It's pretty empty. Hopefully the people actually turn out, and we'll get some other cars maybe doing some pulls and see their numbers. But we'll be back with you when this car is on the dyno. Alright guys, the car's on the dyno. He's letting it warm up real quick. We're going to do 2 5th gear pulls, maybe 1 4th gear pull, see what it puts down. Anything under 400, I'm not happy. All right, guys, man, that was freaking exciting seeing a dyno for the first time ever. They're gonna unstrap the car right now, take it down. We made some powers. We made 2 pulls in 5th gear, 1 pull in 4th gear. All of them were over 400. Once I get the dyno sheet, I will go over the numbers with you guys, but that was a freaking awesome time.